see. Because this is what's helping, like, suppress a lot of the pain. What?
Oh,
it moves.
What did Jesus do?
It moves.
Thank you, Jesus.
So how long were you in bed over that pain?
3 days.
3 days, and what did you do to your leg?
I fell on a brick wall.
Ah, what did Jesus do?
He made it go away.
He's so cool.
He is. He's pretty cool.
He's so cool.
I don't feel
You don't feel what?
any screws.
So prayed
Metal,
for you.
Nothing.
Yeah.
I mean, it feels.
It feels like bone.
Yeah.
Like this. There's no metal in that
Yeah.
foot.
I mean, it's like.
So how
it's
many screws
tight.
did you have before I
6.
prayed for you? 6.
I have. Yeah, I have a
And-
picture of it on my phone.
And you had a plate, and now
and
what?
a plate.
And now
Like
it
it
just feels
still
like
feels
bone.
tight because of the tendons, but it doesn't like.
You feel no
You could
screws,
feel
no
the
plates.
screws.
It feels the same.
And now you can't feel the screws.
Amen.
Like it feels like a joint.
Yeah.
Like
so
if
God
you're-
dissolves metal, right?
You know she's a nurse, right?
Yeah,
That's
that's
fantastic.
awesome.
That's fantastic.
Woohoo! Go
I
Jesus!
Oh my goodness.
So you're amazed at His goodness, right?
Well, every day.